In this new age of AI, whatever tool you use, you have to give it context. And this knowledge base is where you keep that context in a central place for you or your whole organization. Creating a knowledge base with a simple KMS.
First, I'm gonna go to snackprompt.com.
You click on simple KMS and we give you a template. And we broke that KMS down into a few sections. Name, about, product and services, language, CTA, which is your call to action. This is how your customers do business with you. Topics and keywords, inspiration, do's and don'ts. Very simple knowledge base that can be the brain of your business. Now let's open a simple doc here. You will see examples. In this case, for the about, you can just write on here. Now you can write a short about, as simple as 1 to 2 lines like these examples here, or you can write a long about. Everything that you provide for your clients as a service or everything that you sell, you write it right in here. And as your business evolves, you can continue to increase this list. Now, we've included many examples, but before you start, you probably want to delete these examples and begin to fill this KMS yourself. If you are an agency, you can use this knowledge base for all of your clients. I can have Nike over here. It gives me a structure in which I can build a knowledge base for 5 clients or 1,000 clients, all from a single central location. And when I'm ready to use this knowledge base on an automation or create a custom GPT or bot, whatever I want to build with this knowledge base, I can simply take the knowledge base and download it right from here. Everything that I filled within this table, I can now export in seconds. I can take the knowledge base title and description and the content, or I can go as far as export everything, even the documents and videos that are attached to each one of these documents, and just hit download or download it as a text. And everything about my business or my client's business is right in this knowledge base. Now, if I want to download the knowledge base for all of my clients collectively, I can download the whole table's knowledge base. And I have everything in a single place. But there are many ways to use this KMS. This is just one of the ways in which you can set your knowledge base. Whatever you want to do, you're free to customize it as you please. You can add more columns. Maybe you want to track something else. Maybe you want to include brand values. You can do so right from here. Or maybe you want to include stories, right? You can then put stories here, and you can fill this document with many stories about your business. And lastly, if you're not an agency or if you want to build a KMS for a single business,
You can go as far as to delete this first column.
given that this whole KMS is for a single company, and if that's the case, you don't have to include everything in a single place. For example, in this particular KMS, I have all of the products in a single document. I can structure a little bit different. I can make this first row here a particular product like Air Max Snickers, right? And that's what this whole KMS is. I can put that right over here, and then I can describe, here's a description of the Air Max, and then the dry fit apparel is an item on a brand new document, right? So I can use the table however I want. Save it, and I'm gonna put the dry fit apparel product here, and then I can explain a little bit. Here's more info about this product. However you want to set your knowledge base, it's up to you. At the end of the day, you can export data from the row, you can export data from the column. If you want to just create a knowledge base of all of your products and services, you can export that knowledge base right from here. Now you're only seeing a list of all of the products or services that you provide. You don't have to see anything else related to the business. In this new age of AI, whatever tool you use, you have to give it context. And this knowledge base is where you keep that context in a central place for you or your whole organization. Everyone working from the same knowledge base.